This video illustrates a 2-day transformation appointment. This is my tray setup, and notice the thermometer because we are in pandemic and I have a new pair of sneakers for my install. Perfect. And let's have you turn all the way around and move your hair to the back. And let's...
I have no idea. I don't know, but... Did he mean out of the state? Yep. Oh, geez, are they going back to one?
Three, say hi. Hi, guys. Okay. Here you'll see me installing her first row at the very bottom. I'll work my way up to the third row. So right above this one is number 2. Right above that one would be number 3 towards the top of her head. I take 45 minutes to an hour for each row install, and I do get quicker the longer I've been doing your hair. Here you'll see me check the underside of her hair. I'm making sure that I'm catching the lead string as I'm sewing the wefts onto her natural hair. Looks great. This is the end of day 1, 3 rows installed and a blowout. Creating the perfect blend between your natural hair and the extension hair takes time. Here is all of the root tapping, color melting, and toning of the mids and the ends. Here you'll see how I created the perfect blend between her natural hair and her extension hair. Good. You're on, and then just look right and left. Easy, easy. And keep that smile going. Slow down. Good. And now you can take your hands up kind of by your ears and fluff it out. Play with the length and wiggle it. Good. Turning right and left. Slow. You're doing great. Chin up. And final look. Hands go through and stay at the camera. Okay guys, this is my lovely client, and she got in right before the shutdown. We did 12 wefts, Habit hand-tied extensions, full color, color melt, toner, Habit waves. Merry Christmas, smile.